children, today we are going to see mathematics exercise 2.3. See, in the last Zoom class we are seeing new chapter, isn't it children? Chapter 2, addition and subtraction, and we saw addition in the first YouTube and then problem sums, and now we are going to see what children? Subtraction. This is about subtraction. Okay children, addition and word sums we completed, and now we are going to see subtraction. Okay children, now we'll see fill in the blanks. Okay, dash minus 0 is equal to 500. What children will come? The same answer. What 500? See, 500 minus 0, 500. Okay children. Okay, the second one, predecessor of 4,527, 28. Predecessor means what children? Before number. In the addition we saw successor. Isn't it children? In the addition sum we saw successor. Successor means what? After number. And the predecessor means what children? Before number. So, predecessor before what? 4,528. Predecessor means what will come children? Automatically it will come 4,527. Okay children, understood children? Predecessor means after 4,528 what will come? 4,527. Okay children, and now see easy again. 6,340 minus 0 means what will come children? The same number will come. The same number, 6,314. Okay, and now fourth one, 6,200 minus 0 means what will come children? The same number only, the same number, 6,200. Okay, and the fifth one, 731 minus 731. 731 minus 731 means what will come children? 0. Because both are same, isn't it children? So what will be the answer? 0. Okay. Coming to the sixth one, 999 minus 1. So in 991 minus 1 means what will come? 998. Otherwise you can do it by the side. 900 minus 1. What will come children? 899. Isn't it children? It's yes, 1000 minus 100. Some of them will be they can do the sums easily. 1000 minus 100 means what will come? 900. But some of them will be feeling hard. So what you can do? 1000 minus 100. So what will come? 0, 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 1. Can you subtract children? Because here 0 and here 1. Can you count? No. So what you have to do? You have to borrow. So this 0 will become 10. So what's the answer children? 9. So 900. What will come? 900. Okay. The predecessor of 9,999. The predecessor means what I said? Before number. So before number means what will come children? 9,999. 99 before what will come children? 98, isn't it? So 9,998. Coming to the ninth one, dash minus 1 is equal to 999. So what you have to do? See, what can we do? See, the 999 is there. So here what number will come children? Can have you any guess? It's little bit hard only. So what you have to do, if the sum comes like this means, what you can do, you can add 999 plus 1. If plus 1 means what will come children? 1000. What will come? 1000. So here what will come? 1000 minus 1 is equal to 999. 1000 subtracted by 1 means what answer will come children? 999. And coming to the last one, 1345 minus dash is equal to 1344. See here 45 is there, here 44 is there. So what you have to do children? You have to put minus 1. If you 45 minus 1 means what will come? 44. Understood children? Yes, I think you all understood. I I will explain it again in the Zoom class also. Okay children, we'll see the B1. Find the difference. Find the difference. So find the difference means what will come children? Difference means what? See, in addition what we saw? In addition we saw the answer that we get on adding. The answer that we get on adding the number is called sum. And difference means what children? The answer that we get on subtracting. The answer that we get on subtracting two numbers is called difference. Understood children? Okay. See, only one correction I have now. See, coming to the fill in the blanks, I have written here. See, here 0 will become, this will not be dash now. Mistakenly I have put, see, 6200 minus 0 is equal to 6200. Okay, here 0 here. I have underlined this one. Okay, children, correct it. Okay. Okay. 4051 minus 866. So, what you have to do children, can you borrow children, can you borrow from 6, can you count children? Because it is smaller number and it's bigger number. We can't subtract smaller number from bigger numbers, isn't it? So, what you have to do, we have to borrow. We have to borrow. So, if you borrow means what will come? 5 will become 4 and this 1 will become 11. Isn't it children? Now we can count. After 6 you count up to 11 children. After 6 what will come? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So what's the answer children? 5. And see, after 6 can you count up to 4 children? It's smaller number, isn't it? We can't count. So again what you have to do children? We have to borrow. But here 0 is there. Can you borrow from 0 children? Because only 0 means it has no value, isn't it? When you add the one number before means it has value. But can you borrow? No. So what you have to do? From 4 you have to borrow. See, from 4 means this will become 3 and this 0 will become 10. Now we can borrow, isn't it children? See, now it has value. From 10 you have to borrow. So from 10 if you borrow means this 10 will become 9 and this 4 will become 14. Okay children, you have to be careful while borrowing from 0 because if from 0 you can't borrow. So you have to see the next number and from next number only you have to borrow. Okay children, now from 6 you count up to 14. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So what's the answer children? 8. And after 8 if you count 9 is what? Only 1. And now there are no number. So you have to write as it is. So now what's the answer children? 3185. 3185. And the second sum. 4768 minus 2132. This is very easy because all the number are bigger here. Isn't it? So without borrowing you can subtract this one. After 2 you count up to 8 children. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what's the answer children? 6. And after 3 you count up to 6 children. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 3. After 1 you count up to 7. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6. After 2 you count up to 4. After 2, 3, 4, 2. So what's the answer children? 2636. 2636. Okay, coming to the third sum. 7130 minus 2642. So from 2 you can't count to 0, isn't it? Because it's what you can't borrow. So you can't count. So what you have to do? You have to borrow. From 3 if you borrow means 3, it will become 2 and the 0 will become 10. And now you can count because it is bigger number. After 2 you count up to 10 children. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what's the answer children? 8. And after 4 can you count up to 2 children? No, it's smaller number. So again what you have to do? You have to borrow from the next one. So this 1 will become 0 and this 2 will become 12. So children, while copying down in the notebook, what you have to do, you have to leave two lines, because some we have 3 borrowing, isn't it? So 2 lines you leave so that it will be very neat. After 4 you count up to 12. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Again what? 8. And from 6 can you count up to 0? No. It's smaller number, isn't it children? So what you have to do? You have to borrow from 7. 7 will become 6 and this 0 will become 10. Now you count children after 6 to 10. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4. So what's the answer children? 4,488. 4,488. And coming to the fourth sum, what? 39,586 minus 5,174. So here only 4 digit and here 5 digit. So while writing, what you have to do children? You have to write carefully from the ones column. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So here no 10,000. So you have to leave it blank. If you get confusion, means what you can do? You can add 0. Understood children? But you should not do like that one. But you can, because you are too small, if you get confused, you can put 1 0. Understood children? Yes. After 4 you count up to 6. After 4, 5, 6. What's the answer? 2. After 7 you count up to 8. After 7, 8, 1. After 1 you count up to 5 children. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. This is also very easy because without borrowing. After 5 you count up to 9. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you have to bring down this 3. So what's the answer children? 34,412. And coming to the fifth one, 7 minus 7 what children? 0. Children, while doing you should not subtract from this side. You should not subtract from the left side. If you subtract this, the answer will be wrong. Okay? And 1 minus 0, 1. 2 minus 0, 2. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. So these two sums are very easy, isn't it? 13,210. And coming to the sixth one, 94,295 subtract what? 37,596. So here smaller number, here bigger. First you have to see that one only. It's bigger than the below number or it's smaller than. If smaller number means you have to borrow from the next number. So you can't count. So what you have to do children? You have to borrow and this 5 will become 15. After 6 you count up to 15. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So what's the answer? 9. After 9 can you count up to 8 children? No. So what we have to borrow? So this 2 will become 1 and this 8 will become 18. So after 9 you count up to 18. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So what's the answer children? 9. And can you count children after 5? Can you count up to 1? No. So you have to borrow from this 4. It will become 4 will become 3 and this 1 will become 11. So after 5 if you count up to 11 what will come children? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 6. And again you have to borrow because it's smaller number. So 9 will become 8 and this 3 will become 13. After 7 you count up to 13. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Again 6. And after 3 you count up to 8. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5. So what's the answer children? 56,699. 56,699. Okay children, we'll see one more sum. 7th sum. Okay children? Okay children, coming to the last sum, 7th sum. 52,068 minus 28,961. See now, even the ones it's bigger number. So after 1 you can count up to 8. Isn't it children? After 1 you count up to 8. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what's the answer? 7. And 6 minus 6, 0. And see, from 9, can you count children? No. So what you have to do? You have to borrow from the previous number. You have to borrow from the previous number. Previous number, what number is here? 2. So you have to borrow. 2 will become 1 and then 0 will become 10. So it's easy. 10 minus 9, what will children? 1. And see, can you count children from the below number to 1? Can you count? No. It's smaller number. So what you have to do? Again you have to borrow from the previous number. So previous number, what number is here? 5. So 5 will become 4 and this 1 will become 11. So after 8 you count after 8, 9, 10, 11, 3. And after 2 you count up to 4, after 2, 3, 4, 2. Okay children, now till 7 sums I have taught subtraction and I have given 5 sums for your homework. 5 sums for your homework. See, continuously you have to write 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Children, in the book they have given 16 sums. No need to worry. What you can do while you have time after getting the books for before exam, while if you want to write means you can copy down, because if I make you to do it in the book means I feel hard for correction. I can't correct the book. I'll correct only the notebook. So what you have to do from chapter 2, all should write in the notebook only. So now itself you copy down in the rough note so that it will be easy for you to write. In addition also likewise only, what 12 sums are there, I have taught 8 sums. So what I am teaching you can do it in the notebook. Miss see in book 16 sums are there, Miss gave only 12. No need to worry. If you want, you can do it by yourself in the book itself. Okay children, in the question you have to copy down in black pen and the answer in blue. Don't forget black, and so because you can vary, because all in same color means what's the answer, it will be very hard. So you do like that one, and 5 sums I have given for homework. And the last one, see this also the same like subtraction only, but how you have to find out, check the answer by addition. Subtract and check by addition. Subtract and check by addition. So what number they have given children? 3526 minus 1838. So what you have to do? You have to subtract first. Okay children. So it's a smaller number, isn't it children? So you can't count. So you have to borrow from the previous number. 2 will become 1 and the 6 will become 16. So from 8 you count up to 16 children. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So what's the answer? 8. So again smaller number than the below number. So what you have to do children? You have to borrow from the previous number. So 5 is there. So 5 will become 4 and this 1 will become 11. So while writing again I am telling children you have to leave 2 lines and then you copy down. So if the notebook is there like this means see you leave like this. So that while borrowing 1 you can write here and the other you can write. So in 1 line, 1 number like means it will be easy for you. You will not have confusion. Okay children. So after 3 you count up to 11. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Again what answer? 8. And now from 8 can you count up to 4 children? No, it's smaller number. So what you have to do? You have to borrow from the previous number. 3 will become 2 and this 4 will become 14. Okay, from 8 you count up to 14. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 6. So after 1 if you count 2 means 1. So what's the answer? 1688. Now we have to find out this answer is correct or not. So this answer you have to bring it up. You have to bring it up. 1, 6, 8, 8. You have to add, you should not subtract. And then you have to write this number 1, 8, 3, 8000. So you have to get the above number. You have to get the above number. If you get the above number means the answer is correct. Okay children. So that with the simply you should not write it. You have to do, then only, for that only they have given check by addition. You have to check by addition means if you add this both the number, you have to get this number. Okay children, again I am telling, if you add this both the number, you have to get this number. So only I will get given. So 8 plus 8 what will come? 16. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 3, what? 9 plus 3, 10, 11, 12. Carry over this. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 8 children. After 7 what will come? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Carry over here. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Have you got this answer? See, now the answer is correct. Now the answer is correct. If you don't get this answer, means the sum is wrong. That one only, this is subtraction and you have to check it by addition. Okay children? And only one more sum is there. I will teach you. 7,568 minus 3,659. See, again is smaller number. So what you have to do? You have to borrow from 6. From the previous number 6. 6 will become 5 and this 8 will become 18. So after 9, if you count up to 18, what will come after 9? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So what's the answer? 9. 5 minus 5? 0. And now here also you can't count. So what is from, you have to borrow from the previous number. 7 will become 6 and this 5 will become 15. After 6 you count up to 15 children. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 9 again. So after 3 you count up to 6 children. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 3. So what's the answer? 3,909. 3,909. Now what you have to do children? You have to add this both the numbers so that you have to get 7,568. So 3,909 plus addition plus 3,659. 9 plus 9, 18. 1 plus 5, 6. 9 plus 6, 9 in the mind, 6 in the finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. See, have you got this answer? Yes. Now the answer is correct. Understood children? Now the answer is correct. Okay. D1 I have rejected. See, what are the Roman letter I am not teaching, that one you no need to worry. That nearest 10, nearest 100, that and all I omitted. No need to worry. What I am teaching, that one you copy down in the max note. Understood children? So, no need to worry. I didn't teach that one. No need to worry. What I am teaching, that one you can write it in the max notebook. Okay children? Soon you will be getting the notebook. So, don't worry. But what you can do? You can write one time, no problem in writing, so that you will have a practice of doing the sums. Okay children? Okay, we will meet in the next class. Okay children, take care, bye.